My friends, it's pumpkin season. If you look on Instagram and social media, everyone's eating and drinking pumpkin beverages and foods. Some people go to Dunkin' Donuts like me and show 185 grams of sugar in their frozen coffees. I'm gonna make a Bobby-approved pumpkin loaf. Now the thing is, this is Desi's recipe, but she has to go. So I'm gonna take over and she's already dubious.
Hey,
I'm gonna pull this off.
I'm saying, Bobby is changing on all the recipe that I had, throwing in the protein, and he's totally winging the whole thing. So I'm not putting my name on this recipe for the record, and I wish you luck.
Thank you. So we're making a chocolate protein marbled pumpkin loaf. Godspeed. It starts off with the dry ingredients. This whole recipe is going to be gluten-free. This is the flour that Desi uses and I use. It's a paleo flour mix. It's a combination of almond flour, coconut flour, and tapioca starch. I'm going to show you something pretty cool. Unlike all these pumpkin drinks and foods at the grocery store, they don't use that. This is real organic pumpkin powder. Everybody uses natural flavors, which are
Not Bobby approved.
the biggest lie in the grocery store, right? We use real pumpkin spices, and because it's a protein smoothie, you get grass-fed collagen, grass-fed whey protein, bananas, coconut milk powder. Delicious. It's seasonal, it's going quick. Get it at shopflavecity.com.
You weren't supposed to add that yet.
Why?
Because you're gonna split it in half and do half chocolate and half.
No. You do the whole recipe 100%.
Then you split the batter and then add the chocolate. Is that what you're gonna do?
Yes,
Everything,
correct.
And then add the chocolate.
Correct. Wow. Does anyone have confidence in me today? I'm getting it from all angles, folks.
I'm sorry.
If you want the non-protein recipe here, I will type it up and have Desi proofread it and Leilani and put that as an option too, just so you know. You won't be laughing at the end, trust me.
You want me to preheat the oven?
Oh, yeah, that'd be nice.
400?
No, actually do 350 for me,
No,
please.
bread you want to do higher temperature. No, for a bread, for a loaf, you have to do a higher temperature.
Okay, your recipe calls for 400.
400, see? Preheat oven to 400.
Okay,
That's
400.
Too many cooks in the kitchen.
Yeah, this is.
Bakers.
Don't you have a workout session starting
Yeah,
pretty
I
soon?
have pie.
Get out of here. Pumpkin pie spice. Making powder to help our loaf leaven. We'll do 1 teaspoon of the powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And that are the controversial dry ingredients. I'll grab the Flav City balloon whisk and mix it up. But in the meantime, 400 is too high. Trust me, I was doing some research. Shh, come back here, crank this down to 350. Do not tell Desi. Okay? This is turning into a sabotage ambush episode here of Flav City. Wet ingredients are going to go down right now. We need 2 eggs. I'm using pasture-raised eggs for this. 1, 2. And half a cup of sugar. You can use coconut sugar, but I really love lately maple sugar. It's the granulated version of maple syrup. All right, from your viewpoint at home, what's your confidence level? This is gonna work out. Leave a vote now or leave a comment down below. Do you think Bobby's gonna pull it out at the end here? Or it's gonna be an epic fail? And when Desi comes back from the gym, she's gonna say, I told you so. Pumpkin, I need 1 cup total. Fat. This is a really good fat. You can use melted butter, or you can use ghee. 4th and Heart makes the best Bobby approved ghee. This has real vanilla beans infused into it. So if we had smell-o-vision right now. Okay, we'll give it a mix. We'll add the wet team to the dry team here. And we'll start to mix it up here. And after thinking about it and talking about it with Leilani, instead of using the Flav City chocolate protein powder, I'm just gonna wander over to the pantry and get cacao powder. Is take half of the batter back into the wet ingredient bowl. Come with me over to the little pantry here. We'll get, there we go, some cacao powder. Just make sure your cocoa or cacao isn't sweetened. We'll add a 1/4 cup and we'll mix it in. The goal now is to alternate batter scoops. If I start with pumpkin, the next one is chocolate, followed by pumpkin, followed by chocolate. Now I want to reverse the flow. Chocolate goes on top of pumpkin, pumpkin goes on top of chocolate. It's like when they did the wave at the University of Wisconsin football games back in my day and they reversed it, right? Reverse, reverse. Last pumpkin, last chocolate. Then I'll grab a butter knife and swirl. Go down to the bottom, scrape to the sides, and create that nice marble effect here. In the oven it goes for 45 to 50 minutes. Timer just went off. Let's see what's going on here. It smells lovely in the kitchen. Is the old toothpick. Comes out clean. We're done. I'm gonna let the pumpkin bread rest in the baking dish for 15 minutes and then yank it out to a cooling rack. Well, look who's back from the gym just in time for our loaf that has cooled. I will give you the honors, my dear.
Moment of truth. Wow.
Looks beautiful.
Wow.
Ah,
Visually, it's 10 out of 10.
thank you.
Let's see the taste. It's a pumpkin bread.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you. Whoever voted against me, you lost. All right, recipe is down below. Check it out. Grab a bag of pumpkin spice protein. It's a seasonal flavor. It's going fast. When it's gone, it's not coming back till next year. But for the team, we'll see ya. Bye.